everybody, this is Justin and welcome to my channel Economics for Today and Tomorrow. And today I want to talk about the increasing population growth rate. The population growth rate in many countries is increasing drastically by about 3.2% and even more. But we want to say that if we have an increasing population growth rate, what is the cause of the increasing population growth rate? It could be because of the high fertility rate. Because of the high fertility rate of women, we have an increase in the population growth rate. Two, it could be an increase in the rate of immigration. There are many people coming into the country, and because of this, we have an increase in the population growth rate. But also the decreasing death rate is behind the increasing population growth rate, and it's because we have improved health care services. The increasing population growth rate is something which can be good because it can give us an increase in the market. As long as there is increased market, we have increased investment in a country in a given period of time. The increase in the population growth rate also increases the labor supply, and most of this labor is cheap because in most cases the labor supply surpasses the labor demand. When majority of the people in the population are of a working age, then the increase in population growth rate increases government revenue. Increase in population growth rate is something good for a country. It increases the utilization of the available resources. But it is worth noting that the increasing population growth rate can equally be something bad. There is an increase in the demand for goods and services that sometimes countries have to import such goods from other countries. Number two, if majority of the people are young, there is an increase in the dependence rate on the few who are of a working age. Number three, that the government spends a lot of money on providing available infrastructure because of the increasing population growth rate. And the increased expenditure of the country literally leads to budget deficits. The increasing population could be a burden to the few who are working, and therefore it means that the working class being overstrained saves less and invests less, which actually affects economic growth and development of a country in a given period of time. When the population grows and food production has not grown, the increase in population can lead to starvation. It can lead to death of some people. And therefore, I want to say that the increase in population growth rate is something good for many nations, but we can control that population growth rate because it has some negative effects that affect growth and development of a country in a given period of time. For now, this is what I could share.